What thing it is?
It's a trout. Big trout. Dang, it's a big bro. That bitch is big. Oh, Moose, this bitch is big, bro. Moose.
Damn.
Moose.
I heard him when he bumped.
Yeah, right in front. Moose.
Damn it, boy. Come to me. So you get a peek. You ain't got no ruler?
On my rod.
Okay, boy. Where you at?
He's right here. Bitch is big, bro. Hey, grab my rod tip if you can.
Oh, stop moving. Just stop moving.
Ooh. He's over 20. He's like 22. Hold on. Look at this home. Hold on. Does it look fat? Big boy. That bitch is big, bro.
On the top water. Give me one.
Give me a second. Let me release him. Get the release. Get the release.
On my phone?
Yeah, I'm just sending it to you. This bitch is big, bro. Look at that. Arr, arr, arr.
Then that boy say, yeah.
Bro, this bitch is fat, dude. It's a fat trout. Hey, mama. Ugh. There you go. Shoot for me. There you go.
Give me a tap.
Come on. It's a red.
Yeah, I would've got fooled already.
Oh, that's a good red. Boy. Oh, that's a good red, dude.
Want me to get him?
Yeah. It don't matter. He's done now. Come on.
Sorry, I got you.
He ain't tired, that's why.
Huh?
Yeah, he ain't tired, that's why. I think that's over, I think. Hey, it's big, bro. Oh, yeah. They thought he messed it up. Come on.
God damn it.
Oh, yeah. Come here, buddy. You got a ruler on you or no?
No.
Man, look at this moose. Oh, he's over.
Hey, let me get a picture.
Come on.
Guys, come on. Hold on, I'm fucking with my asshole.
Ready? Woo!
Good.
Man, look at the head on this, bro. Come on, keep on. There you go.
I just floated right past you. Let me
Huh?
That's a grown man.
Yep. Caught him right in front of that point, bro.
Well, I'm about to eat. What's that, number 2?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Damn.
Buffy. Buffy.
Damn.
Oh, come here hot. Oh shit.
Bro, come on.
You need me to net him?
I got him. Come here, boy. Woo!
Another one. Let me see
Another
if
one.
this way.
Hold on.
I'll get him on the cam. Hurry up, grab him. Let's take this picture.
The sauce, baby. That's the sauce.
You gotta put it in reverse, dude.
Give me a second. You gotta come around.
You gotta put it in reverse.
Bro, I can't. I got a whole fish.
You can't turn it and pedal.
You can push me. You can grab my thing.
Hold on. Reach out with your right hand.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Got it?
Yeah.
Get the release.
Hold on.
You know?
Just go ahead and release it.
Come on. Thank you, buddy. Man, bro. I love yak fishing.